Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Dinul Hakim bin Muhammad Tajuddin. So this is the coding for OBE1 microcontroller. So this is the preprocessor directive, which is include the file htc.h into the program. This is the setting for PIC 16F877A. This is to define the frequency 20 MHz. Define switch 1 as RB1, define switch 2 as RB2. This is the port assignment. This is pin assignment for register select, pin assignment for enable, pin assignment for backlight. So first, we need to write a programming sending command subroutine. Function is for sending command to LCD. The command steps for sending command are summarized as follows. The select command register, move data to LCD port, select write operation, send enable signal, and wait for LCD to process the command. After that, we write the programming, the set cursor position subroutine. In this subroutine, the input and column line value is used to select which LCD line for the cursor will be set, either line 1 or 2 for 2-line LCD. The column value is for pointing the cursor to the visible LCD location. Since normal counting process always start at 1, and to make it easier to counting the location, the column value also being set to receive value 1 to 16 instead of 0 to 15. After that, we write this is the function to initialize the LCD, the subroutine for initializing the LCD. After initialize the LCD, it can be easily display any character on the LCD by sending the character in ASCII format to the data pins, which are located at pin 7 to pin 14. After that, we write the sending data subroutine. Sending data subroutine is used to send the ASCII code to display on the LCD. To send data, the data register should be selected. The rest is similar with the send command routine. Following are the steps: select data register, move data to LCD port, select write operation, send enable signal, wait for LCD to process the data. The data displayed on the LCD is not just one character, but either in few words or sentences. To send more than one character or string, the new subroutine is created. At the end of every string, there is a null terminator to acknowledge the end of string has been reached. Applying this knowledge, a send string subroutine will send every character one by one until it meets the null terminator. So this is the send string subroutine. So this is the function to shift left and shift right. This is the function to turn on and turn off backlight. So this is the main program. So in this programming, we write the two string, which is string A and string B. First, we need to clear the LCD display. After that, we can press the switch 1. After switch 1 is pressed, first it will clear the LCD display. After that, set position to line 1 and column 4, which is at the center. After that, it will display string A on LCD. Following the question that been given, after switch 1 is pressed, string A will move from center to left, right, and back to the center. For doing that, we write this programming. First, move left with 3 steps with delay, 200 millisecond delay. After that, back to the center with 3 steps, move right with 200 millisecond delay. After that, move right with 3 steps more with 200 millisecond delay. After that, back to the center with 3 steps left with delay 200 millisecond. After that, if switch 2 is pressed, first it will clear the line 1 at the LCD display. After that, it will set the position to line 1, column 4. After that, it will display the string B on LCD. For the demonstration, I do that on the PIC SimLab. First, we click production, build main project. It display build successful. After that, click debug. It shows build successful. So when in following the question, when a fire occurs, the smoke detector will detect it and give signal to the microcontroller, and the first line of LCD will be moving from center, left, right, and display fire with delay 200 milliseconds. For the smoke detector, we use as switch 1, which is defined as RB1. When switch 1 is pressed, it will display fire and moving from center to left to right and back to the center with 200 milliseconds. So to turn off the fire system signal, press switch 2, which will define as RB2, and LCD will display alarm off. So we press the switch 2, it will display the alarm off. So that's all from me. Thank you.